So how to create a tonkeeper wallet on PC. Now first of all, go and type Google here like this. Now type tonkeeper and hit enter. Now go to their official website. So as you can see here, you can install it on iOS or Android on Tonkeeper Pro. You can install it on your PC, or as you can see here, you can download the extensions. So so first of all, you have two ways. So even Tonkeeper Pro, you can install it on your Windows. So as you can see, if you have for Mac OS or for Windows or for Linux, now just pick one of them that you have on your, if you have Mac, you can download it on Mac. If you have Windows, you can download it on Windows, or if you have Linux, you can download it on Linux. So for me, I have a Windows. Now I will tap on MEXC and it will download it here. Now after the download process is finished, just click on the Tonkeeper wallet software. As you can see, the two windows protect your PC, Microsoft Defender, Smart Scan, prevented and unorganized app. Just click on Don't Run. Just click on it. After that, click on More Info and click on Run Anyway. Now, as you can see, the software is opened. Now, after the software is open, just click on Get Started. Now, as you can see, you have multiple choices. If you have already an existing wallet, you can import it. Or if you have testnet account, so we will, okay. So click on New Wallet, click on it now. After that, your wallet is successful, created. Just click on Continue. Now make sure you save this passkey or phrases to a safe place. So for me, I will just take a screenshot of them, as you can see, like this, and keep it, because you will need it in the second or the next step. Now after that, click on Continue. Now as you can see, they ask you for the passkey that you have already saved. Now for the number 6, the word is spend. You can see. Now the number 12 is coil or soil, I don't know. Now the number 16 is age, as you can see. Now after you enter the passkey or the phrases they ask you, just click on Continue. Now you can pick a nickname like this, and you can add an emoji like this or anything that you want. Now click on Save. Now as you can see, congratulations, you have set up your wallet. So now you have your wallet. You can send, you can multi-send, you can receive, you can buy, you can check the history. So everything that you want to do, you have in this software. Now the other method is the easiest method that I prefer. Now just click on Browser Extensions. If you have Chrome or Firefox or Brave or Edge or anyone or any of this, I have Chrome. Just click on Chrome. Now as you can see, now you need to add to Chrome this extension. Add the extension, click on it. Now as you can see, the extension, it will add it to your browser tab successfully, so I will allow it from here. Now as you can see, the icon is here. Just click on it. Now as you can see, click on Get Started. Now as you can see, you have different options. Just we need to create a new wallet. Now tap on it. Now, as you can see, they will refer you to another page. Now click on Continue. As you can see, they show you this passkey or phrases. I will take a screenshot because they will ask you for the next step. Now I will save it to safe place like this, as you can see here. I'll go back to the website and click on Continue. As you can see, the number 7, now you need to fill all the passkey or the phrase or the phrases here. As you can see, crime 14. So 14 is account, as you can see here. And 22 is payment. So after you fill all the phrases, just click on Continue, and you can now set up a password. Just create a strong password that's combined between characters and numbers. So click on continue. Now after that, pick a username. I will just pick a username. Now you can add an emoji. Now click on save. Now after that, your wallet is created successfully. So how to access to your wallet? Just easy. Go again to this icon. Now click on it. So as you can see, you can buy, you can send, you can receive, you can swap, you can check the history, you can do whatever you want to do. So this is how to create tonkeeper wallet on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.